So the future is obviously going to be related to AI. Now I can use machine learning to predict new processes, new optimization settings, because I have the digital twin of the solution. And this is this idea of closed loop manufacturing or autonomous optimization using machine learning. So I'll give you two examples of how we're preparing ourselves for the future. So the first concept is this idea of closed loop manufacturing. I have my configuration module, I have my execution module, I have my validation module. I can now take actual data out of the execution module and try to solve for a particular problem. So let's say I want to solve for improving the cycle time on a particular station. So I can get all of the unique cycle time data. I can use a machine learning model to predict what improved settings I can come up with to improve the cycle time on a particular station, for example. And then I can automatically apply those settings into the system. Because I have all of the settings in the database, I can now autonomously change those settings using some machine learning model. Previously, it would have been an industrial engineer that would go in and drag and drop and move the processes around to improve the output of that particular station. Now I can use machine learning to predict new processes, new optimization settings that can be autonomously implemented because I have the digital twin of the solution. And this is this idea of closed loop manufacturing or autonomous optimization using machine learning.